Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products, the griddles, and I'll give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's entire length is about like a 36 inches wide, and the depth is about like a 32 inches deep, and the overall height is about like a 15 inches tall. So behind of the units, they have like a inject connections for the gas pipe. For these parts, they were about like a 3 inches deep. And for the cooking area, this griddle pan, it's about like a 24 inches deep, and same about like a 36 inches wide. For the thickness, they are about like a 7-8 inches. As we can see the unit's design, they have a dust. There's a small hole for you to clean this griddle pan. And from the bottoms, we can see they have 3 individuals. The switchers can control the temperatures. And they have a small windows, the pillows, for you to obviously the fire inner side. And behind of the units, I just mentioned there is a connection, the gas inject pipes, and they do have a cover side. And on the side of the units, they come in with the manufacturer's name, and they have a SA sanitation sticker side, and they also have a warning informations and all the details. They have the marks on the side. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.